Welcome to a video on how to make a resume for the role of business analyst. If you're considering applying for a job in this field or simply want to improve your current resume, this video is for you. Business analyst is a popular job role in the corporate world, and a well-crafted resume can help you stand out from the other applicants. In this video, we will discuss some essential aspects of resume for a business analyst job, including the sections you need to include, the language you should use, and some common mistakes to avoid. Additionally, you will learn about the importance of matching your resume to the job descriptions and how to use keywords effectively. We'll also provide examples of business analyst resume that you can use as models for your own. In conclusion, with the right knowledge and skills, you can create a strong and effective resume for a business analyst job. So if you're ready to take the first step in your career as a business analyst, sit back and let's get started.
Now before moving forward, let me ask you a quick question. So which of the following is not a primary responsibility of a business analyst? Option A is gathering and analyzing requirements. Option B is conducting market research. Option C is designing software application. And option D is facilitating communication between stakeholders. Now you can pause this video and answer in the comment section below. Now let's start with the first topic, that is importance of well-crafted business analyst resume. So a well-crafted business analyst resume is crucial because it serves as your first impression when applying for job opportunities. It highlights your skills, experience and achievements in a concise and organized manner, making it easier for employers to access your qualifications. A strong resume showcases your ability to analyze complex problems, communicate effectively, and provide valuable insights to drive business success. It increases your chances of getting noticed by hiring managers, leading to more interview invitations. By presenting your skills and accomplishments clearly, a well-crafted resume demonstrates your professionalism and competence. Now let's have a look at some key elements of effective business analyst resume. So the first point is crafting a captivating summary statement. Your resume summary statement is like a short introduction about yourself and what you want to achieve in your career. It's important to use this section to talk about the skills and experience and achievements that are most relevant to the job you're applying for. Take the time to customize your summary statement so that it fits the specific requirements for the job. By doing this, you can make a strong first impression and catch the interest of employers right away. Showcasing what makes you unique and valuable in a clear and persuasive way will help you stand out from other applicants. Next is highlighting your technical skills. So as a business analyst, possessing strong technical skills is essential. Employers often seek candidates who are proficient in various tools, methodologies, and software applications. Create a dedicated section in your resume to outline your technical competence, including skills such as SQL, data modeling, process mapping, business intelligence tools, and project management software. Additionally, mention any certifications or specialized training you have acquired to further enhance your credibility. The next is emphasizing your educational background. While experience and skill hold significant weight in the business analyst field, your education background should not be overlooked. Include your academic achievements such as degrees, certifications, and relevant coursework in a separate section. If you have completed any industry-specific certifications or advanced training programs, be sure to highlight them. This demonstrates your commitment to the professional growth and continuous learning. Now let us understand structuring your business analyst resume for success. So the first step while structuring your business analyst resume for success is choosing the right resume format. So when it comes to resume formats, there are three primary options: chronological, functional, and hybrid. For most business analyst roles, the chronological format is preferred. This format focuses on your work history, presenting it in a reverse chronological order. It allows employers to see your career progression and easily access your stability for the role. However, if you are transitioning into a business analyst field or have a significant gaps in your employment history, a functional or hybrid format may be more appropriate. Now next is tailoring your resume for each application. To maximize your chances of success, tailor your business analyst resume for each job application. Carefully review the job description and identify the specific skills and qualifications sought by the employer. Customize your resume accordingly, highlighting the most relevant experiences and accomplishments. By aligning your resume with the specific needs of the employer, you demonstrate your understanding of the role and increase your chances of securing an interview. Now coming to the next part, which is writing style. Now when creating a business analyst resume, it is crucial to use clear, concise and professional language. So use action verbs, being bullet points with action verbs to convey your achievements and responsibilities effectively. Examples include analyzed, facilitated, implemented, developed, managed and presented. Next is quantify achievements. So whenever possible, quantify your accomplishments to provide tangible evidence of your impact. For instance, instead of stating improved project efficiency, you could say increased project efficiency by 20% through process optimization. Now the third would be specific. Provide concrete details about your experience and achievements to make your resume more compelling. Instead of saying worked with stakeholders, specify collaborated with cross-functional teams and stakeholders to gather requirements and ensure alignment. So this is how you can structure your business analyst resume for success. Now let's understand the common mistakes to avoid in the resume of business analyst. So here are some mistakes to avoid in business analyst resume. That is irrelevant information. Avoid including irrelevant details or experiences that do not pertain to the business analyst role. Second point is generic language. Using vague or generic terms without providing concrete examples of your skills and contributions can make your resume less compelling. Third is lengthy and cluttered resume. Keep your resume concise and well organized, focusing on the most relevant information and using clear headings and bullet points. Then fourth is neglecting keywords. Omitting industry-specific keywords that are most important for the role may result in your resume being overlooked by both hiring managers and application tracking systems. So by taking care of these four things, you can avoid common mistakes. Now let's understand the importance of matching your resume to the job description. So matching your resume to the job description of a business analyst is crucial for several reasons. Firstly, it demonstrates your understanding of the specific requirements and qualifications sought by the employer. By highlighting relevant skills that align with the job description, you increase your chances of getting noticed by the recruiters. Secondly, it showcases your attention to detail and professionalism, indicating that you have taken the time to tailor your application to the position. This effort indicates your genuine interest in the role and your commitment to meeting the company needs. Ultimately, a well-matched resume increases the likelihood of securing an interview and position. Ultimately, a well-matched resume increases the likelihood of securing an interview and positions you as a strong candidate for business analyst position. Here's how you can use keywords effectively and examples of keywords you can include in your business analyst resume. So analyze job postings. So review multiple job postings of business analyst positions to identify common keywords used by employers. Pay attention to technical skills, industry-specific terminology, and desired qualification. Example keywords: data analysis, requirement gathering, process improvement, stakeholder management, business process modeling, project management, data visualization. So these were the example keywords. Now let's understand the second part, which is tailor your resume. Customize your resume by incorporating relevant keywords from the job description into your skills. Highlight your proficiency in using these keywords by providing specific examples of how you applied them in previous roles. Example: conduct in-depth data analysis using SQL to identify trends and patterns, resulting in actionable insights that drove a 15% increase in sales revenue. Third is use variation of keywords. Use synonyms and variations of keywords to demonstrate a broad range of skills and increase the likelihood of matching the different job postings. Examples are: instead of just using requirement gathering, you can also include elicitation of business requirements, then capturing user needs or gathering functional specifications. So this is how you can use the keywords effectively in your business analyst resume. So these were some points and things that you should keep in mind while making business analyst resume. So if you can take care of these things, you can easily find a job and become a business analyst. So if you are really interested in becoming a business analyst, you can check our program, postgraduate program in business analysis. The course link is in the description box. Alright guys, with that we have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. I hope it really helped you all. Thanks for watching. Stay safe.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.